Hello there, beautiful. Yes, you're beautiful. How are you? I hope you're good. This is a look and see of how I get these braids to be neat and sleek time and time again without using scissors to trim flyaways. You cause a lot of damage to your client's hair and the ends each time you keep, chopping the flyaways. Let me know what you think of my method, and if you have any other techniques, please share in the comments section. Let's do this. You're gonna need mousse and guts to be for this method. That's it. I was meant to do a tutorial on this look, guys. I set the camera up, as you can see, and after braiding half the hair, that's when I realized the camera was never even on. I was pissed. So that's why I decided to just make this into a look and see instead, rather than a step-by-step tutorial to show you the end results and how I achieved my smooth braids, basically. She's such a trooper. Oh, look at me, how blessed and lucky I am. She's just passing me the hair. Why didn't I even put up the braiding rack? All right, this is my favorite part, and this is the whole lesson. So basically, yeah, you put enough mousse, like you don't care that you paid for it. And then you start spraying, sis. Yes, you spray this gots to be until you hear your ancestors say, I beg you, sis, stop. Yeah, just spray. And then we tie the paper wrap. Yes, of course I break it because, my hands are tough. You tie the wrap around her head, and you tie her hair up with your silk scarf, and you prepare your client for the dryer. But first, we might want to, set the ends in some warm water, hot water basically, and steam everything so the hair will relax. You don't want stiff braids. It won't be able to move. That's ugly. Squeeze the towel gently, not too hard, or it will deform your braids. And this time what I'm doing is going back in with some more gots to be at that end, because usually that's where it tends to get fluffy and frizzy. So we're smoothing it down, tying her back up again, and sent her to the dryer. And here we are. It's a banger. I can't help myself. French kisses and all that. What? Lean back for me, girl. Yes, let them see the work. Let me show off properly for them now. No, seriously, you too can achieve the same neat and sleek look. No need for chopping flyaways. Let the people say amen, try it out, and hopefully it works for you too. Okay, I'm all talked out now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means a lot to me. Love you. Okay, bye. Love you. Okay, come back and watch my other videos. Okay, bye. Love you.